Hello everyone, welcome back to my blog. This episode is my third episode and we will learn simple Swedish words about people like I, me, you, she, he, and more. These words are very important for daily conversation and you can use them anywhere at work, at school, or when meeting a people. So now, let's start learning. So, I have prepared 20 everyday words about people. Now, I'm going to start. And again, I will start with Swedish and then I will translate it into English. Jag. I. Mig. Me. Du. You. They. You. That will be an object. Han, he, honom, him, hon, she, henne, her, be, we, us, us, ni, you. That will be a plural form. Plural. Then you can use that in your object. They, them, ben, friend, family, barn, child, man, husband, pru, wife, person. And now, I will give an example how to use this vocabulary words. For example, in we can use the I like jag heter prince. In English, I am prince. And we can also about do. So do is like you. Kan du hjälpa mig? In English, can you help me? Then du är snäll. You are kind. And then jag gillar dig. I like you. So we can also about Han. Han bor i Jakobstad. He lives in Jakobstad. Or if I use jag bor i Jakobstad. And jag såg honom, for example. I saw you. And hon jobbar på sjukhuset. She works at the hospital. Jag känner henne. I know her. Vi bor i Finland. We live in Finland. Come with us. Come with us. Ni är mina vänner. You are my friends. So, ni we use in also a plural. So, you are talking about the people in front of you, for example. So, what is my example is ni är mina vänner. So, you are my friends. In English, de pratar svenska. They speak Swedish. Jag träffade dem. I met them. Hon är min vän. She is my friend. Min familj bor i Jakobstad. My family lives in Finland. Jag har ett barn. I have a child. Min man jobbar här. My husband works here. Min fru heter Anna. Min fru heter Anna. My wife's name is Anna. En snäll person. A kind person. So that will be my example. My tips for you guys is just practice saying these words every day. Try to make simple sentences like jag är trött, I am tired. Du är glad, you are happy. Han jobbar idag. He works today. So, remember in Swedish, de and them are both pronouns dom in Sweden, of course. But normally here in Finland, they use also dom because people from Sweden and people who studied in Sweden usually also use this them, they they use as DOM. So that is for today's video. And if you like my video today, don't forget to like, comment, and share my video today to make it sure na makatulong tayo sa mga nanonood ng ating video. Thank you so much for today. Hey do!